Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to use Shopify for e-commerce. Well, Shopify is an e-commerce platform that allows individuals and businesses to create online stores and sell products and services. It provides a range of features and tools to help you build and manage your e-commerce website, including website templates, payment processing, shipping and inventory management, and marketing tools. With Shopify, you can create a customizable online store without needing to have any technical skills or experience with web development. The platform offers a wide range of themes and templates that you can use to design your store, and it also allows you to customize the look and feel of your website with your own branding. Shopify also provides a range of tools to help you manage your inventory, track your orders, and process payments. You can easily set up a payment processing for credit cards, PayPal, and other payment options. Additionally, Shopify integrates with a variety of shopping or shipping providers, so you can easily manage your shipping option and rates. Shopify also provides marketing tools such as email marketing, social media integration, and search engine optimization to help you promote your e-commerce store and drive traffic to your website. Overall, Shopify is a powerful e-commerce platform that provides a range of features and tools to help you build, help you manage, and help you grow your online store. Wherever you're just starting out or looking to scale your business, Shopify can help you achieve your e-commerce goal. So how to use Shopify for e-commerce? First, you need to sign up for your account. Go to Shopify website and sign up for your account. Choose a plan that suits your needs and enter your details to set up your account. Next, choose your theme. Shopify offers a variety of themes that you can use to customize the look and feel of your e-commerce store. Choose a theme that matches the style and branding of your businesses. Then add product. Use Shopify dashboard to add products to your store, including product description, prices, and images, and organize them into categories to make it easy for customers to find what they're looking for. So just click on add product, and you can see now those title, description, media, pricing, cost per item, inventory, shop location, and many more. That Shopify will help you to build your products and services more engaging. Next, set up a payment and shipping option. Well, Shopify makes it easy to set up payments and shipping option for your e-commerce store. So, choose the payment gateway you want to use, such as PayPal or Stripe, and set up your shipping rates based on your product you're selling. Then, last, launch your store. Once you've set up your store and added your product, you can ready to launch. Use Shopify marketing tools to promote your store and attract customers. Also, always remember when it comes to manage your store, use always Shopify dashboard to manage your e-commerce store. Track orders, manage inventory, and analyze your sales data to optimize your store and improve your bottom line. Well, what's the advantage of using this Shopify? You come as a for your e-commerce. It's ease of use. Yes, Shopify is a user-friendly and easy to set up, making it an ideal platform for both beginners and experienced e-commerce merchants. The platform offers a drag and drop interface that allow you to customize your website without needing any coding knowledge. Wild wide range of features. Yes, Shopify offers a wide range of features and tools to help you build and manage your e-commerce store, including customizable themes, payment processing, shipping, and inventory management and marketing tools. Scalability. Shopify can scale with your business as it grows. The platform offers a range of plans to suit businesses of different sizes, and you can easily upgrade to a higher plan as your needs change. When it comes to security, Shopify is a secure platform that offers SSL encryption and PCI compliance to protect your customers' data and payment information. It has mobile responsiveness too. Yes, Shopify themes are mobile responsive, meaning that your website will look great on any device, including smartphones and tablets. And when it comes to support, yes, Shopify offers 24/7 customer support via phone, email, and live chat, as well as an extensive knowledge base to help you troubleshoot any issues. Overall, Shopify ease of use, range of features, scalability, security, mobile responsiveness, and support make it a popular choice for e-commerce merchants of all sizes. So that's how to use Shopify for e-commerce. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.